In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or just gathering information, adding sections can help you organize your content effectively, making it easier for respondents to understand and navigate. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you need to open Google Forms. You can do this by navigating to formsgoogle.com in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of templates. If you wish to start with a blank form or use a pre-made template, Google Forms offers both options. Simply click on the option that suits your needs best. Now that you have your form open, let's look at the form editor interface. On the right side, you'll see a toolbar with several icons. To create a new section, find the icon that resembles two horizontal lines, one longer than the other. This is the section icon. Click on it, and you'll notice that a new section is added beneath the current one. This is the first step in effectively organizing your form into manageable parts. Each section can be given its own title and description. Consider what topics you want to cover in this section and provide a brief, descriptive introduction. It's really helpful for respondents to know what kind of information they will be filling in next. Take a moment to plan the content of each section and how it relates to the overall theme of your form. If you have multiple sections, you might want to decide whether respondents are allowed to navigate through sections non-linearly. Google Forms provides a setting to enable or disable this. By default, respondents proceed step by step. However, if your sections don't depend on the previous one, allowing navigation can improve the user experience. You can find this setting in the Form Settings menu. Additionally, you can tailor the section navigation flow by using logic branching. This means you can have the form direct the respondent to a specific section based on their answers. It's especially useful for creating personalized or conditional surveys. This functionality is accessible through the Add section and Go to section based on answer options, which you'll want to be familiar with as you get into more complex forms. To remove a section or reorganize them, simply click and drag the section header in the order you wish. If you need to delete one, click on the three dots menu and select Remove Section, but be cautious when removing sections, as it will also delete any questions within that section. Finally, preview your form by clicking on the eye icon at the top right corner. This allows you to see exactly how your form will appear to respondents. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, your Google form is ready to be shared. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and that you now feel confident in your ability to add and manage sections in Google Forms. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy form building.